English words. Adjectives, series number 3, GIF Studio. Adjective list to learn. Good, good work. New, it is a new day. First, this is my first job. Last, that was last time. Long, it was a long way. Great, she is a great boss. Little, I have a little car. Own, I want my own home. Other, I like the other place. Old, it is an old house. Right, this is the right number. Big, it was a big group. High, it is a high number. Different, I have a different time. Small, it is a small world. Large, that is a large place. Next, that is next week. Early, I like early lunch. Young, he is a young child. Important, she is an important person. Few, give me a few days. Able, I'm able to work. GIF Studio.